What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. We are here in the garage for the first item on the agenda today, and that is talking about my Motovlog setup. I know a couple of you guys have asked me down in the comments to make a video explaining that, so I will do so. Then after that, we're gonna end the video with a little fun on the KLX, short little ride. Had to go do some errands, get some parts, and of course look at some bikes. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so here are my two helmets right here that I use to motovlog with. This helmet is an HJC IS-17, has an internal visor, as you can see inside there. Both of my helmets actually have an internal visor. I like having the internal sun visor because sometimes when I ride I have prescription glasses, so it's nice to be able to have a darker visor in the helmet without having to sacrifice the use of the helmet at night with the tinted or smoked visor. Alright, so this is my dual sport helmet. It's a Built Explorer. I like the HJC better because it's a lot quieter and it cuts through the wind. This one, the wind kind of lifts up a bit with the visor. But the setup is the same on each. So first things first, we got the Telesin GoPro chin mount, as you guys can see there. And basically what it is it takes the GoPro mount and you strap it onto your helmet, and that's how you fasten it. You just pull these straps right here and then you latch it down. So here's the helmet with the GoPro mounted. I have the curved GoPro mount here, and then that just slides right into the Telesin GoPro chin mount. Then I drew a little line here across the mount and the GoPro case. I can just line it up every time here when I go out for a ride, so that way I don't have to mess with the angle and the GoPro app. So the next thing, the mic setup. Of course, with the Hero 5 and above, you have to get the GoPro mic adapter, which is basically a USB Type-C, goes into the side of the GoPro here, goes through whatever software program they have inside there, because apparently you can't just use a normal USB Type-C to a 3.5 microphone. So my microphone, I plug it into the side here, and this is just attached with some Velcro. My microphone goes in here, and all the extra slack is inside here with the padding. I use the buttons inside here to hold the microphone up. So my microphone sits right inside here behind the chin portion of the helmet, so therefore it doesn't really get hit with that much wind, and it's right next to my mouth when I'm talking. So as you can see here, this is the GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter. That's this thing right here. And my microphone setup, they're both from Rode, which I think is a main brand. Whenever I look for something microphone related for motorcycles, this brand always comes up. So the microphone itself is a lavalier type microphone, pretty sure that's what it's called. So you have to take this and go to a TRRS to a TRS adapter, which is a tip ring sleeve to a tip ring sleeve. You need this adapter in order to pick up audio with the microphone. Then the setup is the same for my Ironman helmet. So basically I would just mount the Telesin GoPro chin mount right here. I just unbutton the padding inside here and use the button to hold the loop of the microphone. Then I tuck all the extra wiring inside there and have my microphone come out right outside the padding right here, and the wind is blocked and it's right next to my mouth for some crisp audio. Alright, so like I said, I like using the Ironman helmet better just because the wind noise is a lot quieter, cuts through the wind better, and the visor doesn't get lifted up like it does on my dual sport helmet. And it also has a little segment here to allow for glasses to go in, whether that be sunglasses or prescription glasses. I do like the built helmet though, because it is high vis, but a red and gold helmet is also pretty visible. But those are the two main helmets I used. That's the parts, that's the setup, and now let's go ahead and go for a ride. Alright guys, we are out on the KLX right now. Gonna finish off the video with the short ride. Hope you guys found it interesting to see my motovlog setup. But now, we're gonna try and see if we can't find some parking lots to mess around in and have some fun to end off the video. Besides that, I also have to get some miscellaneous parts for the KLX, some maintenance items at the dealer, so we'll also do that. But we'll see if we can't get into some trouble. I mean, fun. Haha, a little bit of some wheel spinning action there on the leaves. Ah yes, the KLX sure does love the cold weather. Jeez, would you look at the traffic. Wow. Alright guys, I think we're gonna head to the dealer first. Go ahead and get my parts ordered, or if they have them already, that would be sweet. And then after that, we will go hit up some parking lots, have some fun. You know, I just realized that I'm gonna go get parts, but I forgot my wallet. Real good thinking. Dang it. Well, I guess I'll see if they have them first, and then if they do, I'll have to go home, grab my wallet, come back, and pay for it. But I guess at the very least I can see if they have them or not. Alright guys, see you when I get out. Alright guys, got what I needed from there. I'll come back tomorrow, go ahead and get all those parts so I can do some more maintenance to the KLX. Hopefully get this chain not squeaking with some chain lube, and then the KLX will be good to go. Right now we're going to go ahead and head to the mall parking lot, see if they cleaned up that. Hopefully not. It'll be for some good wheel spin action. Of course, while I was at the dealer, I had to take a look at some more motorcycles. This time I looked at the XSR 900. Which would be pretty cool, turn into a scrambler. I think that would be an overall better base, like one of you guys said in the comments. It would also be pretty epic to make the XSR into a scrambler and be able to take it to the drag strip, which I want to get into. I like drag racing my cars, but haven't been down on the strip with a motorcycle. So I think it would be cool to do that with the 900. The 900 has about the same power as my ZX6 RR that I had. I heard that the 900 has a lot sharper of a throttle response, so So that's something to take in consideration, but I don't know. Like I said in the last video, I keep on going back and forth between the 700 and the 900. We'll see when this next summer rolls around. See what's going on there. Be pretty cool to have a dual thread at the drag strip, the Corvette and a 900 or a motorcycle to go on the drag strip with. Then I'd have the KDX with off-road. Then just keep on working towards my goal, being able to get a truck and then a fun off-road vehicle such as that kit car that I've shown in a couple videos, and that would be pretty great. Oh man, looks like they cleaned up the leaves over here, some of them at least. Dang. Nice Maserati Gran Turismo. That's a pretty amazing sounding car with an exhaust. I really don't like doing wheelies in the wet because for someone like me, it's really unpredictable whether or not the rear wheel will hook or just give some tire spin, so it doesn't provide a good base to learn consistency with the throttle and the clutch. So usually when it's wet I usually do other things. That's alright if I'm not doing wheelies, I'm still having fun on the KDX. Oh wait, I forgot to do my burnout. Dang it. There we go. Got the burnout done. Alright, let's get a tunnel run in here. We're gonna get one more acceleration run here, and then we'll probably call it a video. As always, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button. Also, share this video to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And if you are not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We are almost to 300 subscribers. A little bit short on the riding today, but hope you guys found some use out of my Motovlog setup. So of course, with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.